Aluminum profiles are behind many of the systems we rely on every day. In this video, we'll show the process, the range of profile types, and the finishing options that make it all work. Every aluminum profile starts with a controlled extrusion process. Billets are heated and extruded through precision dies to form specific cross-sections. Profiles are then cooled, stretched for straightness, cut to length, and inspected for dimensional accuracy and surface quality. Stable equipment, mature tooling, and strict quality control help keep production consistent batch after batch. For B2B projects, reliable supply is just as critical as product quality. A diversified inventory of standard profiles supports fast sampling, flexible scheduling, and stable delivery. From stock management to export-ready packaging, every step is designed to support stable and efficient global supply. Aluminum profiles offer a high level of design flexibility. Common types include round and square tubes, angles, channels, flat bars, and T-slot modular profiles for industrial frames. For project-specific needs, custom extrusion sections enable tailored structures and functions. Surface finishing enhances both performance and appearance. Anodizing improves corrosion resistance and wear durability. Powder coating provides color options and weather resistance. Electrophoretic coating delivers uniform protection, while polishing and brushing support high-end visual requirements. Different environments and applications demand different surface solutions. Because they're lightweight, strong, and corrosion-resistant, aluminum profiles are widely used in architecture, industrial automation, renewable energy structures, transportation components, and equipment frames. They serve as structural building blocks for modern manufacturing systems worldwide. If you'd like a quick feasibility check, send your drawing, target finish, and required lengths. We'll respond with feasibility, recommended alloy, and lead time. Subscribe for more manufacturing insights.